Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. The 6th MLP Battalion continues with reaching out beyond the call of duty. Price of petrol hiked by 26 paise in Shillong. Cold waves sweep across Meghalaya. And labelling of farm products to be implemented in the state, Bante Dorlingdo. And now the news in detail. The price of petrol has been hiked by another 26 paise in Shillong from today. On the 18th of this month, the price petrol was fixed at Rs 89.09 paise, and today it has been increased to Rs 89.35 paise. The fuel was fixed at Rs 88.34 paise on the 13th and increased to Rs 88.60 paise on the 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th of this month. The increase in the price of petrol will have a rippling effect on the prices of transportation and essential commodities. On the other side of the news, President Tinsong informed that since there was an ardent plea from the general public to allow plying of all local taxis, so from the government side, they will have a discussion on the matter and it will be soon decided.
Commercial vehicles. Lewat niki passengers. Long kia ut bahan amal pakai kali kaki. Ke balik kaki kalau mbak restriction hak haji, hak capacity, hak haji. Long nok kanikan normal capacity nila andi so 50%. Ke download nang tapare don saka ot bat ke even number. Ke kiba pri ke passengers di stop, kipa ba di stop. Nang tak kitry kali ru di stop nama ba kata sebagai sil. Kamat ke hapsi baik normal kumajulong. Te ya kan ingin sa take a call, ingin sa show meeting biang ban review ya ni. Te ingin take lada constitution klabit klabian kamu ni kwa ibala kamu ingin lift. Ya kan ika restriction ka bengu. Te kamu ingin saya show maka jingalang ban review ya ni bat nantang sa sini.
In a meeting conducted by the Agriculture Cell East Khasi Hills of the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People, FKJJP, at Mau Usam Maukanrao constituency on Monday, with the farmers of the area and Sri Bante Dorlingdo, Minister of Agriculture, attending the meeting as the chief guest. In the meeting, Sri Bante Dor informed the labelling of farm products will be implemented soon. This labelling of farm products is to identify the farm products produced by different villages in the state. Speaking at the program, Sri Bante Dorlingdo said that this method of labelling the products will make the people aware that products from which village are better, and they will try to find out more about the product that is being transported, and in this way, demand for such will be more. The employees of EMRI, under the banner of EMRI Workers Union today, took to the street to demand from the state government to take over the 108 service. These employees took out a protest procession from EMRI office at Laumali, passing through the street of Shillong converges at Jayao Students' Field. The employees gathered at Students' Field while raising slogans against the management of EMRI, demanded that the state government should take over the management of 108 services, as EMRI will end its contract with the state government in March this year. The employees of EMRI also demanded enhancement of salary besides increasing manpower.
Here standing as the advisor of the Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union. My name is Suzanne Lindo. So the protest that we came out today is after all the years that we have gone for agitation. We have demanded 36 demands where we compromised to 8. But till date, none of the demands have been successful. So we have come publicly now to show to the government that in spite of compromising, in spite of returning back to work after the strike, the hunger strike, everything that we have done, we want to show that the GVK management still does not come to compromise with the field staff and the workers of the GVK EMRI. Still, till date, we are suppressed by this management. Deductions are there, where employees who can't even come for work in this lockdown, their salaries have been deducted. These are the harassment that the GVK management is still doing till date. So we demand that this GVK management or any other company, if they come to take this project, this will compromise with the life and death of the people of the state. So we demand the government to kindly come up with a solution to take up this project on their own or form a society or whatever a solution is there, please do give us a solution where do not compromise with the life and death of the people of the state. We will be going for another agitation that will be planned. We have to go for a meeting and everything. So we request the government to at least take the initiative to just call us for a talk or whatever is possible to solve this issue, because if it affects us the workers, it affects the people of the state. If we stop the work, it affects the people who are in need of this ambulance service, 108 service, because we help the needy who needs the emergency medical service, whether it's medically, whether it's a road traffic accident, any kind of emergency is dealt by us. So we request the government to kindly take the initiative to solve this issue as soon as possible.
Today ka Meghalaya EMRI Worker Union. Kani ka jingya roli ka jongi mata singi ka long man persya ya ka JVK EMRI ka ba ka demand ka jongi ka ba nadu macam stem kumba pilih ka dan lai pendu tuli hadin nang tu ngila ada ya compromise ban le setang flatly hanrai hadu mentai la sisnam tam si benai ki khamyo ya ka ba kilakular pada haduk ni khilmat ni dang ya mi renti kumne banya mi biang sai sien namata ke jingdiman ke jongi ke bangsa bat kumjuru ka banikong hi ka motif ke jongi banta ka dai ba ikwa ba ka government jong ka Meghalaya hi kan simti ya kani ka service ka balong ka jingim ke jong upat ba jong ka state hi ka jingim ke jong ka company ka company ka suan hang ni ka kumbanle business bat ka government part ka su'a be ya bisa syaki bahkan le kat bakaman ya ki pat ba jong ka state la de te ngi hang ni ngiwan ban demand ba ka government hi ba ka state Meghalaya hi kan simti bat kan pen ya hi dala de ya kan ke service ke jongi ka balong ka EMRI 108 Meghalaya tingin nakaliang jong ka union ni demand ya ka government ba kan sim daladi nang ba kan tip khamha ya ka ei ka ba ki brio jong ka state hi kanu ki trai sitam bat ka jing yo pat ka batang khendiat nomor katkum ka jing ASHA company ka khnyat ya ka jing yo ki jongi ubaret barya anrai ka jing trai par ka balong ka bakhya nabaro kam kumba kalong ba ka 108 ka kan thop ya ka medical police but fire ya ka police but fire kila ki ran hi daga state government balai pat ba ya ka medical ki ai contract ha ki rio simat.
The cold waves that have affected northern India during the last 3 days are having rippling effects in Meghalaya when the mercury dropped to 8 degrees Celsius today with wind speed at 2 kilometers per hour, forcing the commuters to rush home at a faster pace. The cold has also affected the street vendors with scanty buyers. Continuing with its initiative of reaching out beyond the call of duty, the 6th MLP Battalion took part in a legal awareness program on police public relations organized by the District Legal Service Authority, Ribhoi District, today the 19th January 2021 from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Dorbar Hall of Nongthamai village, Umsning. 30 female members of various self-help groups SHGS forming the Nang Sanbha village organization took part in this legal awareness program. The program was chaired by Srimati Kerdalin Jana, President, and Srimati Pibalawan Makri, Secretary of the village organization. The resource person for the program was Sri Frankie Nongvet, advocate member of the DLSA, who spoke on FIR, right of arrested persons, right to bail, right to legal aid, and Sri Lakadors M, MPS Commandant 6th MLP Battalion, who spoke on police public relations, bridging the gap. The program was concluded with a question and answer session where a number of doubts were cleared by the resource persons.
improve dak sorka. People are recognized the police department. But niju ai jingyara ko, oi jingyara because imarin ka. Tentang kesambung ka, tentang kampung ka, tentang ni alati, tentang sebuah border area ni ada di coastline. But pun tak terkena. Asyam harga jingga bisa juga sorka. The village defense party dan PDP will recognize that the Sarkar will recognize the police department, but Nimko Shah need play limba di PDP. Namun di PDP kita dijungi hal isyam iban yerap ini ban baik yang jadi isyam selesai maintenance of law order. But yerap ini crime prevention yang jadi sneer, but prevent jadi sneer. Ini kita ki seng banding kau ki banding apa ini bayar terima. Kabar kita bersno la itu yang kita bersno dekat. The district council ke Aisyah ke sorka la ada program ke kot yang ini kita bersno. Di mana kata kita bersno dulu ini bayar apa ini boleh. Gimana? Iseng sama, kini iseng self-help group, village organization, kini melalui improve dan sorka. Sebab ini bagus iseng seperti. Kita ada kalau ada gaji itu kalau ada yang sorka. Lalu itu bukan lalu gaji itu, tidak ada gaji itu. Baik nitrai lebar joki. Kalau kerja nitrai itu, baik iseng one place sorka, dan gaji nitrai dan betul kita. Apa itu boleh di mana yang di? Mau cerita ada lagi tasar kita kami le, tidak berboyu jaga. Ladang pun berpet, piam kami. Tambah mana berboyu berpet itu tidak berjikit di bulan jadi kalau ambil kau mesti bulan sat, ingin aja selesai, tapi ukok pilih lah. Kata isi ayat hiu pilih. Mereka mengimani lagi, isu lagi. Mereka tu lagi ulang pada jingyanda yang PDP haba kini beauty. Bagi isu tu lagi pada bom beri. Mela nak kaya senang bom. Balik ni lagi lah ayat yang kesorkari lah. Ni lagi lah ayat boleh. Nama kata ngaruman bom ni kata aru. Apa kan kalau macam setiap nol setiap ni, debat tiap.
One of the parishes in Shillong Archdiocese, Seng Samla Catholic Umsolite Parish, concluded their Silver Jubilee celebration on Sunday. The Silver Jubilee celebration was concluded in a grand manner, with interactive sessions conducted for 3 consecutive days, starting from Friday last week till Sunday. On Sunday, the Jubilee program started with the Holy Mass, with Father Edward Sten as the main celebrant, along with Father Leo Yaubor, parish priest of Umsolite, Father Sherman Kongshay and Father Benser Karsati, followed by the youth conference at 2 o'clock. Different speakers came to share their insights on different topics with Dr. Bremley W.B. Lingdor, who spoke on the environmental issues. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.